All right, well, welcome back to Hobby Cantina. Today I got a good one for you. I got a bunch of cars to show you, a bunch of different die-cast brands. I've got Hot Wheels, I got Tarmac Works, I got Inno 64, and then I got a few other ones, but let's dive right in. All right, so check this out. So I got this Liberty Walk, this Ferrari F4, what is it, F40? Yeah, I got this Liberty Walk F40 Inno 64 one. I got this Matchbox one right here. We got this Mini GT, a Skyline. I got 92 Ford Mustang, Hot Wheels right there. I got an 84 Mustang, SVO. Another Hot Wheels. I mean, look at all this stuff. Look at this Tarmac Works. Got a Mini GT. I already opened this one, but I'll show you that one. And then I've got this Son of a Digger. There's a funny story to that. I ordered a bunch, and they sent me all the same Monster Jam mystery mutters. So if you have any ideas on like a video or something I can make with these, I've got like 10 of them. And if anybody wants one, just let me know. Might be able to give one away. But yeah, I mean, let's go ahead and let's start showcasing, unboxing these. And then also over here, I've got a bunch of I don't know if you've watched any of my videos on my RC stuff, but I got to clean this one up tomorrow, so I'll make a video of that. And I got to clean this one up tomorrow as well too. And then this one, of course, will be going to the mountains soon. Everyone voted on it, so I got you. There's just been crazy fires and like all sorts of nonsense going on. But yeah, we're gonna take that one out. But yeah, let's go ahead and showcase these die-cast I got over here. All right, so, I mean, here's a couple of them that we're gonna go through right now, and then I got a few over here. But yeah, how's everyone doing? Hope everyone's doing good. I think I'm gonna jump into this Japan series one first. But yeah, I've been trying to make a video for my RC rock crawler, and there's all these fires that's been going on in my area, and I'm hoping I'll be able to do the video on Friday. Ooh, now this is cool. This is really, really cool. This thing's awesome. Yeah, and apparently I think the hood opens on this. Oh yeah. There we go. So this is from the first series, I believe. Somebody wrote in a comment. But yeah, I mean, I love the color of it. The color is really nice. You don't see that color all the time, that's for sure. But yeah, I mean, this thing's awesome. I really like the detail that they did. The inside, they got a little, like a bench seat and everything. But yeah, this is the Japan series, 1963 Honda T360. Or I guess J10 Japan. I'm not sure. Japan series number 10, maybe. I'm not sure. But yeah, I mean, really cool. So let's open up another one. Let's open up this Mini GT. Check this one out. But yeah, there's been a bunch of fires in my area. And honestly, the fires aren't where I live, but the smoke is creating problems. And it's not good to be out there. But yeah, check this out. This is cool. This is really cool. So this is Mini GT, and this one is the Skyline GTR R34 Top Secret. All right. Really nice rubber tires. I'm not sure if anything opens on here. I don't think anything opens up. I'm trying. It kind of feels like there's a little give on that, but no, I don't think it's going to come off. But yeah, very nice gold color, nice carbon fiber hood thing going on. Yeah, oh, it's got the carbon fiber in the back on the trunk. I guess it's more of a matte. They're going for that carbon fiber. Plus, it is the top secret. I remember seeing this back in magazines. All the top secret stuff way back in the day, like when the first Fast and Furious movie came out. But yeah, this one's cool. I really like that gold color. All right, let's move on to the next one. Yeah, these two. All right, I've been wanting to open this one for a while, but you know, gotta wait for a showcase and show everybody. So let's check this one out together. Man, is this cool. So, Inno 64, Liberty Walk, F40, Ferrari. I'm liking the box. It's nice. Real nice. So I've heard good things about these. I've never opened one of these up. I see you use a screwdriver. Okay. But, ooh, yeah. What's this thing? What's going on in the back here? That's kind of cool. I don't know. One of these days I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to snap something right off. But yeah, I mean, this thing's really cool. Now, this thing's got a carbon fiber look to it. All over. Yeah, you just kind of see. And I was trying to see what that red thing is in the back going over the engine. Is it something that moved? Or is it like a... I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know what that is, but I'll have to further inspect it later and check it out. But wow, this one is really, really cool. Now this thing's got a lot of detail. A lot of detail. I don't know if that's like a... Yeah, I don't know what that is. But I can't get to it right now. But I'll have to check that out. See what that is later. But yeah, Inyo 64, very, very nice. Kind of reminds me of those Hobby Japan. I think that's what they're called. I could be wrong though, but yeah, it kind of reminds me of the Hobby Japan. I love this case though. I wish a lot more cars came in these. Really, really like that. I opened up this 84 Mustang SVL Hot Wheels. All right. So this one, oh, that's cool. Kind of got a transformer looking thing going on. Oh yeah. I remember seeing a lot of these back in the day. The back tires are fatter than the front. That's cool. Yeah, this would make a fun drag one. We'll have to throw this on the track. Open up this one. This is a 92 Ford Mustang. This one's also got the bigger tires in the back, little plane in the back compared to this one. Hot Wheels does that a lot. So it's alright though. But yeah, really like both of those. And I think these both came out of the L case. Yeah. Both of them came out of the L case. Now let's put those aside and jump into the next one. I've got this one. This one is I have been wanting to open this for such a long time. Such a long time. But yeah, let's get this one open. Yeah. Let me know in the comments where you live at and if you're experiencing any problems with the pliers right now. I never thought that they would come so late in the season. Oh, wow. This thing is awesome. All right. Well, the reason I've been wanting to open this for such a long time is because, well, number one, this packaging is so cool. So I'm glad you get this box. But the reason I've been wanting to open it for such a long time is because I never see anything like this. You know, like I see a lot of different stuff, like Pop Race. They do a lot of stuff like this, but there is something about the colors on this. I was just like, whoa. But yeah, I mean, this thing's awesome. And anytime I see a Skyline, anytime I see a car that I like, it always is a freaking Skyline every single time. I'm like, oh, yep, another Skyline apparently. Because I don't even look at what kind of car it is. I just look at what I like, and I'm just like, that one looks sharp. But yeah, newer GTR. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, this thing's really cool. This might be my favorite diecast I have right now. I mean, matter of fact, I think it is. It definitely is now. This is my favorite. Really, really like that thing a lot. But yeah, let's get on to the next one. Got this Tarmac Works, of course. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. I've got that right here as well. Have it as an RC car. I actually have not made a video of this one yet. I've made shorts of it. But, you know, I'll definitely have to make a video of that. But let me know if you like RC cars or RC drifting or anything like that. But I've got like mini Z's and a little bit of everything. But yeah, here we go. Let's open up this one real quick. This is another one that I've been looking forward to opening for a while, because it's just another one that caught my attention. It's very unique. Very, very unique looking. Oh, it's kind of tiny. It's like a tiny little thing. Oh man, this thing's cool. This is awesome. Wow. I don't know, this one this one might be tied with the other one as my favorite. Yeah, they got the little mirrors in the front there. The back looks right on point. Like right on point. Wow. Yeah. Tarmac Works, not messing around either. Now, the way this feels to me is kind of like the Takara Tommy or the Tomikas. It really does it. It's got that same weight like feeling to it. Very JDM. Yeah, this thing is cool. That is really cool. But yeah, Tarmac Works, Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. Yeah, I mean, this thing's cool. Now, did the trunk open or something? Oh, it's just that window. But yeah. All right. Well, we've got one more to show you. I already opened this one up, but this is another Skyline GTR R33, the active carbon, Kaido House, of course. I think that might be the wrong thing in there. But this thing is really, really, really cool. And I got to give it the Kaido House. I just went through Inno 64, just this regular mini GT, this Tarmac Works, the Hot Wheels, and out of all of them, these ones never fail to impress me. And I just like how I can pop open the hood, and the detail is so good, and then just the feeling, there's like a texture on this. And of course, the tires are awesome, nice and rubber. The bottom's always super cool looking. But yeah, Kaido House, these dudes they're doing it right, that's for sure. I mean, but yeah, I think I showed this in another video. But I thought I'd take it out again and just showcase it because this one's really, really cool. And I've got a couple more Kaido House that are on the way. Kaido House. But they just take a while. They're always like pre-orders. Like I got this one right here. This one just randomly became available and I picked it up. That Nissan Skyline GTR, another one. See, I told you, every single one that I have is a Skyline. All of them. But yeah, check this out. This one's one of my favorites as well. But yeah, I made a bunch of shorts on this. Yeah, I mean, this one, I think, I can't remember. This one does something. I can't remember what it was, though. Not right now. You know, it could be the hood. Like, I've got this one, yeah, there it is. I've got this one, Tomica car, and you can make the headlights go up and down. There's like a little switch, and you just kind of go like that, and it pops the headlights up and down. But yeah, the detail on these things, it's crazy. But yeah, that's all I've got for you for today. We'll of course open some more, and then also, if you know of anything to do with these Monster Jam Mystery Mutters, let me know. I have a bunch of these. So just let me know in the comments about that. And I'm never going to tell anybody to like subscribe and stuff like that and like and all that. But anytime you've got comments, I will answer your comments anytime. You just leave a comment and I'll answer you back. But yeah, thank you for watching this one. And yeah, this is Chris with Hobby Cantina. I'll see you on the next one.